All right, Crystal, what you got, Crystal?
Okay. I want to know, why is it so hard to get licensed in Virginia?
Well, tell me about it, because I don't know that much about Virginia.
Okay. It's like so many loopholes, and you have to have just it's a lot to try to open up the business here. And then you have to go through like 4 different agencies. You got to go through social services. Then you have to go through like, I think it's a developmental, like mental retardation. It's like some kind of service. You got to go through them. It's like so many different steps you have to go through in order to, get it up and running.
So what do you have to do for like what do those services have to do with Adult Day? Like what are they saying?
Right. Okay, so it's like you have to get approvals like through both agencies. And then in order for you to even open up your business, I think the fire marshal have to come through and all of that stuff. I saw, everything that you said about that too.
Yeah. I mean, there's
hard.
Yeah, no, it's, hey, anything opening up, any just the hard part is like you're opening up a business that's licensed, so it's like some states that are licensed, not only do you have to deal with all the building and construction and the fire department and all that other stuff, you're also having to deal with the licensing side of it. Like, so it's like, right. There's 2 headaches involved in the process. I mean, I know so many people that they don't realize, like, they're like, oh, we'll get a space and and then like all of a sudden they're like deep into the construction and deep into the permitting and deep into this, and then they're like, that took 6 months, and then licensing another 6 months, and they're a year before they open. So right. I mean, it's definitely not an easy process. I will say that I know in the state of Florida, I mean, the licensing process is very difficult. But it's also like easy if you've done it before. So sometimes it can seem overwhelming if you've never gone down that road. What I would encourage you to do, Crystal, is maybe reach out to, I know there's a couple other Adult Day consultant folks out there. And I'm trying to think of their names right now off the top of my head, but you could reach out to them, and I know they work with Adult Day centers across the country. And they have a much better understanding of the specific licensing needs of every single state. And I know a lot of them have actually created material and kind of processes that are state specific.
Right.
I know there's a guy, gosh, what the heck is his name off the top of my head right now? I can't think of it, but it's like ADC training dot something. Like direct care training dot something.
Direct care training, I'm gonna write that down.
Okay. And I think no problem. I mean, I forget his name off the top of my head. I can't remember right now, but I do know that he does a lot of consulting work, and he does a lot of like policies, procedures, and has a lot of like kind of foundational stuff you might need that's specific to certain states. I can't tell you off the top of my head if he has Virginia, but if he doesn't, I'm sure he knows someone that does.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I hope that helped. I'm about to go looking to Virginia now. I gotta find out, because now you make me nervous to go into Virginia. I thought Florida was hard enough. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.